Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can add photos to your contact list in your Realme device. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. Click on settings and here it is. You have to click on this contacts, create a new contacts. Friends, when you just enter your first name, company, phone number, here it is the add photo picture. You can see this. You can select the Gmail ID or account. You have to choose where you have to save this number. Click on picture, add picture. You can set it from the gallery or you can set it from the uh, camera also. Like this, you can see I have selected this. Click on choose. You can remove this and change this also. This is how you can set this. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.